The Pleiadian Star Mothers. Who are they? They are an advanced spiritual race, and they come from a cluster of 7 stars called the Seven Sisters. Beings from that solar system, we call them the Pleiadians. The Pleiadian Star Mothers visited Earth about 100,000 years ago and stayed in Lemuria on purpose to seed divinity into our DNA. There were many other humanoid races on Earth at that time, and as time progressed, only one race remained, the kind with the Pleiadian seeds. They procreated with the people of Lemuria, they sang and toned to them in order to attune and program their DNA, and taught them about spirituality. They deeply loved the Lemurians, as a mother loves her children. And then they left, with a promise to return to Earth when the energy is right, and our consciousness has shifted. Oribel Joy Divine, who received the following energetic transmission from the Pleiadian Star Mothers, was a 5th-generation Lemurian post the Pleiadians' arrival. She was a teacher named Malik at that time, and she continues to fulfill her role in the transfer of knowledge to others in this lifetime. What you are about to receive is the transmission from the Pleiadian Star Mothers. As a reminder, take only what resonates, and leave the rest.
Let everything that doesn't serve you go. Give intent to let them go. If you feel an emotion coming up that's not to your liking, say, I release this emotion. It's no longer me. I love the new me. And that's not the new me. It takes awareness for this to happen. When you're in the middle of a task and a negative emotion creeps into your consciousness, recognize it for what it is. An emotion that doesn't support your high-vibrating self. And say out loud, I let this feeling go. You may imagine, if you wish, the feeling rising and leaving your body. And tell yourself that you'll continue releasing unwanted feelings and thoughts this way. It can be this simple, if you allow it to be. Or, you can make it a very long and hard process. And we know you prefer the former. Your ability to release has become more simplified. Trust that this works, and you'll see an improvement in your energy as you continue doing this process daily. Soon you'll see that particular emotion no longer affects you, as it gets released automatically. A word of caution: don't linger on or entertain any negative and unwanted feelings and thoughts.